The really good thing about Oxford is the collegiate system and the added kind of welfare and financial welfare that comes with that. So I think because everyone's looked after by specific individuals in their college, if you have any issues with finance, there is always someone there to help. I know at my college, Balliol, we have a fund for students who are struggling to keep up with things, whether or not they qualify for bursaries. You kind of just go and speak to the chaplain or the financial welfare officer and they help you.
I think the financial support is incredible. I have found that I've been able to study and not work in term time. And I know that I wouldn't be able to spend the time working with a part-time job. I'd rather spend that in societies and doing other things. And the financial support that Oxford gives you is immense.
I honestly think the financial support here at Oxford is second to none. I benefited on both my undergraduate and my graduate degrees. So for my undergraduate, because of my household income, I received the government grant, so that's free money you don't have to pay back. And Oxford has something called the Opportunities Bursary, which is where they give you essentially the same amount again, sometimes even more.
So I'm a moritz-heyman scholar. This was a scheme set up the year that I came, and if your household income is below a certain threshold, you will be given absolutely fantastic financial aid.
It's enabled me to not be too worried about money all the time. And one of the best things about Oxford is each of the different colleges has their own accommodation. So you can often live in for 2, even 3 or all of the years of your studies.
So the welfare support in Oxford is incredible. I've used the Disability Advisory Service and they helped me so much by making sure that everything was organised before I got here, that I had the right chairs, the right beds, things like that. And always being there if I need to contact anybody. So they are there to talk over your issues if you need it. They have Nightline, which you can call whenever you need to. And a lot of places have peer supporters, so students in your college who will let you call them whenever you need to, and they're always there. So I think there's a lot of support. And even in other senses, so colleges will have an LGBTQ rep. So if you need to talk about specific issues, you can go to those.
Your tutors themselves do take on a welfare role because they understand that you are under some work pressures and they do try and help you as much as possible. You can always email them and say, this has happened this week, I need a bit more support, a bit more time, and they're understanding. So yeah, the welfare is something that is quite strong in Oxford because, again, of the collegiate system. In kind of the 30 different colleges, you have people that look after you in that way, and it's a much narrower. So yeah.